Hello everyone, my name is Udaypal. Today my topic is MOSFET. IC number IRF3205. In this video, I discuss the features, application, and benefit and drawback of this MOSFET IC number. So now first of all, let's talk about what is a MOSFET. MOSFET is a transistor. It stands for metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. It is used to control the flow of electric current. It is basically commonly used for the switching and amplify the signals. Now what is a IC number IRF 3205. This is a high current capacity and low resistance, and it is used for the fast switching speed. Widely, it is used in the motor controls, power supplies, and inverters. And the key feature of this IC number is N-channel MOSFET, and suitable for low voltage, high current applications. Now, come to the input output characteristics. Now, first let's talk about the gate voltage. IRF 3205 requires at least 10 volt to turn on, and 0 volt to turn off. Okay. And the drain current in this, it can in this we can say that it can handle up to the 110 ammeter of current of continuous current, and the 390 ammeter in plus. Now the drain source voltage maximum 55 voltage across the drain and the source terminal before breaking down. And we can also in this we can also say that the maximum 55 voltage between drain source and drain and the drain voltage and the gate voltage. Now other let what in this and also a transfer characteristic. In this we can to discuss the threshold voltage. Uh, uh, IRF 3205 voltage is range is from 2 volt to 4 volt, but it is not fully switched on until reach to the 10 volt or higher. Okay, now talk about linear reason. In this we can say that the MOSFET is act as a variable resistor. Okay, and the saturation reason we can have we can say that the it behave like a closed switch with very low resistance. Okay. It is also for the switching characteristic. In this we have the divide in the rise time, fall time, and propagation delay. In this we can say that the rise time in this time to turn on, and the fall time means the time to turn off. Okay. And in the switching characteristic, the important point we can say that the fast switching is equal to the less power loss, and in the other word we can say that the high efficiency. Okay, high efficiency. Now and the further let's talk about its application. There are the many application, but we have to talk about the main importance, just like in the motor control and power supplies, and in inverters. This is a basically convert the DC to AC power. Okay, and motor control, it is used to control the speed and direction in the motors, just like vehicles, robot, and industrial machinery. Also in the power supply, we have used for the switching power supply for voltage regulation. There are the many applications also, like that the first it is also a battery management system. It is also used. This is also advantage and benefit of this. Okay, so firstly is high efficiency. In this we can say that the low resistance is equal to the low voltage is equal to the less heat generate is equal to the improved efficiency of this. And the in the high current capacity, we can say that the it can handle up to the 110 ampere of current to and 390 ampere of the plus current. Okay. And also it is required high current switching such as a motor. In the application we further discuss that the it is required for the high current switching in the motor, electric vehicles, EVs, okay, and the power supplies also. It is also used benefit for the fast switching speed, switching speed. Due to that we can handle the low gate charges just like 146 in this written data also 146, okay. Between it can also enable the fast switching between the on and off state also. Mm, okay, and there are many more application, but we have to discuss only little bit. Okay, now come to the disadvantage and drawbacks of this. There are the many disadvantages, but the I discussed very little. The first is the high gate capacity. Capacity. Due to this, it increases the switching time. Due to this, it increases switching time of this also. The high gate capacitance is equal to the more power required to switch the MOSFET on and off. It requires more capacitance, high gate capacitance. Okay, and then is also in this we can say that the more it is more uh, more expensive than the BGT. And also in this we can say that the low power. It is a very low power MOSFET. I see. This is a very low power MOSFET. IRF 3205 is a very low power MOSFET. Okay. Now, in the last we have discussed conclusion, and we can say that it is widely used for the motors. In the further discuss that it is widely used for the motors, inverters, and the power supplies. It is a very high current. It can handle the high current. It is used for the fast switching speed. Switching speed. It has a low on resistance. It is used in the motors. These are further things we can also. Well, okay. This is from my side. Thank you.